welcome to my brand new channel. I sure hope you'll hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the fun. I do all kinds of different videos: makeup, skincare, easy DIYs, Dollar Tree hauls, and unboxings, which we're gonna do today because I got my August 2020 IPSY bag. It comes in a pretty pink package, and you open it up, and inside is another pretty pink bag. This is new for IPSY, the pretty pink drawstring bag. Let's see what's inside. Okay, the first thing I pull out is makeup. Now, I love makeup, and I'm always happy to get makeup. With IPSY, there's 3 different levels you can get. There's the Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe samples. I get the Glam Bag Plus, which is this one, and I get 5 to 6 full-size samples for $25 a month. And then there is the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50 a month. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I've watched a lot of unboxings, and I've always been happy with the Glam Bag Plus, the one that I get. But some people like just the 5 deluxe samples, and some people are happy with the 5 to, is it 5 to 6? No, on the Ultimate you get 12 full-size items, but I've always been happy with just the plain Glam Bag Plus. You have to make up your own mind how much you want to spend. So, first thing I've got is the Beauty for Real, and it is 2, okay, what's it say in my notes? They're eyeshadows, 1.4 gram each. They have a built-in sharpener. One color is Midnight Marathon, which is a topaz. Let's see. And the other one is Shimmery Champagne. So pull off the top. Ooh, that's pretty, look. Let's see what it looks like on a swatch. I don't know whether you can really see that. There, you can see that better, okay. And it has a built-in sharpener. That's nice, because I never can use a sharpener really well because I always use up more of the product than I sharpen. Okay, and then this must be the Shimmery Champagne. Let's see, there's the Shimmery Champagne there. These are really nice because if you're in a hurry, you don't have to use any brushes. You can just swipe them on your eyes and you're good to go. So those are the Beauty for Real eyeshadows, and the retail price of these are $38. So I've already gotten my $25 worth of the box right there. So I'm happy with that. I always like makeup. I am on a no makeup buy for 2 months because I'll be honest with you, I have so much makeup and I really need to use it up, and there's no need for me to go out and buy more makeup, especially when I get subscription boxes that have makeup in them. So I am not buying any more makeup. So I'm always glad to get makeup in my subscription boxes. Okay, let's see what else is in this bag. The next thing I pull out, this is like having a birthday in the middle of the month. Okay, this is the 111 or 111 Skin Cairo ATP Sports Booster. Okay, I know what this is because I picked this one. With IPSY now, you can pick 3 of your 5 products for your IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And I do like skincare, so I know I picked this one. And this is supposed to be a Serum Booster. And it comes in a bottle like this, and you open it up, and it's just like a serum. It has an eyedropper, and I just did a video on serums that'll be up in a couple days. Excuse me. And so you need to watch that. If you don't use serums, or you don't know about serums, or you don't know how to use serums, or you don't know what kind of serum you should be using, you definitely need to watch that video. And this supposedly is a booster for serums. So who knew? So I definitely wanted to try this and see how it works. And the price of this, I know it's really pricey. 111 Skin is pricey. The price for this is, I know I wrote it down here because I knew it was, oh my gosh, it's $135 for this little bottle of Serum Booster. Serums are expensive. They can be. They don't have to be. You can buy inexpensive serums. And, you know, I would never pay $135 for a Serum Booster that I don't know whether it's going to work for me or not. But that's why I like subscription boxes, because I get to try new and expensive products that I'd never go out and buy and try without knowing if it was going to work. I'm still not really sure I'd pay $135 for any product. I mean, I'd have to try it one night and wake up looking like I was 25, and if that's not going to happen, I'm not paying $135. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's a Serum Booster for $135. All right, what else is in this bag? Let's see. Pull out this. And this is the Illamasqua. I know what this is. This is a lip polish glaze. Oh, okay. It comes like a lip like a lip gel, okay? And I don't think just goes on clear. You can't even see it. All right, so let me try it. I already have lipstick on and lip plumper. So, and you have to clean it off before you put it back in. I don't know really what that's supposed to do. It says lip polish glaze. I don't know. I didn't smell it. Do you smell all your makeup? I never. No smell. But my smeller's not real good, so you may want to smell it for yourself, okay? But it goes for $25. I guess it's supposed to make your lips shiny on top of your lipstick. I don't know. I've got enough lip glosses that I wouldn't need that. I forgot to smell the serum. Let's see if the serum smells. Serums don't. Yeah, it smells. It smells minty to me, but then my smeller's not real good, so you may want to smell it yourself. I know the eyeshadows won't smell. Okay, so that's a $25 lip polish glaze. What is next? Ooh, okay, this is Cali C Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. I think I picked this one out too. It looks like this. It is a cleanser with coffee bean, and it sells for $21.95. It's a facial coffee scrub gel cleanser. Okay, let's see. It goes like this. Is there a safety seal on it? I don't know. Yes, there is a safety seal, which I'm going to take off because I need to open a new cleanser. I try not to open too many cleansers at a time, but oh, I hate these kind. But man, I hate these things. Okay, don't look. Don't look, close your eyes. Oh, that didn't work. Shoot. All right, let's try this. Don't use your teeth, you'll break them off. Man, They really don't want you to get into this stuff. Come on. Trying to cut it open. Don't stab yourself. No, no. Just want a little sniff. There. I got enough to get out. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it is a gel. It's a gel. Yeah, there's beads in there. I don't know. I guess it smells a little bit like coffee. Not in a bad way. But my snifter isn't so great, so my sniffer isn't so great, so I don't know whether I'd really say that's a coffee smell. And I love the smell of coffee, and it is a gel, and it would be a little exfoliating because there's beads in it. But I'm willing to try it. And I do need to open a new cleanser. I try not to open too many things at a time. I rotate everything through. So, okay, so that's a coffee bean scrub, facial gel scrub. And that goes for $21.95. So, what else is in my bag? Wait a minute. Oh, this is the card. I don't like IPSY's cards. They used to give you a card that told you everything that was in the bag and how to use it and what the retail price was. Now they just give you this dumb card about other stuff that I don't think is very useful. The future is yours. Okay. All right, one more thing in here. What is this? Oh. Okay, this one I'm pretty sure I picked. I think I picked the Serum Booster, the Coffee Bean, and this one. And this is Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. So let's see what it's like. They usually have an eyeshadow palette too as a choice, but I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I haven't even gotten into, and so I didn't pick an eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow palettes, but I have several that I haven't even gotten into, so I didn't pick the eyeshadow palette. And I've seen unboxings with it. It's really pretty, and it has really big eyeshadow circles. The eyeshadows are really large in the palette that people got, and they look really, really pretty. I have all those colors, and I don't need it. So, okay, this is supposed to be Watermelon Burst. Okay, maybe it has a little tiny bit of watermelon fragrance. Not very much. I like watermelon, and I like fragrance. I like fragrance in my skincare and makeup products. A lot of people don't, but I do. I think it enhances the experience, but whatever. Okay, so looks like that. I've rubbed my finger around a couple times. Doesn't look too dusty. It has a nice mirror. It does come with a nice mirror, which I'll try and show you without blinding you. See, it has a nice mirror, so that's nice. And I'm running low on my powder, so it's Ciate of London. I really like Ciate of London. I do like that brand. So I'm pretty sure I picked that one, and that one sells for, it's 8 grams and it sells for $28. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my IPSY 2020, August 2020 bag. I like this. I think this is clever. I'm glad they changed to this. I can use this for a lot of different things. So I do like the bag. Let's see, what did I get? I got the booster serum, which I'll let you know how I like that, and be looking for my video on serums. I got the coffee bean gel scrub, and I like that. I'm going to start using that. I'll let you know how what I think about it. I got the 2 eyeshadow sticks, in Topaz and Shimmery Champagne, and I will definitely use those. I like those. The only thing you have to watch with, if you have real oily eyelids, these will tend to crease. I don't have oily eyelids, and I do use e.l.f. putty primer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids. So that's the only thing I'd say about eyeshadow sticks, that sometimes they will crease if you're not careful. But I like them. Okay, then I got this, I don't know, lipstick polish glaze. I'm not sure I'll use that. But anyway, I'm not mad about it. It's okay, it's fine. It's something different that I would not have gone out and bought, so we'll see how I like it. And I got the Ciate Watermelon Burst Translucent Powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I got all 5 things plus the bag. So the total retail value of my IPSY August 2020 bag is, drumroll please, $248. Pretty good, right? For $25 plus shipping and taxes. I got products worth $248, and of my products, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 5 I'm real excited about and will use. So I would say this is a 5 out of 5 bag for me. Plus, I like the new drawstring bag. So I'm real happy with this bag. And let me know what you got. Tell me if we're bag twins. That's what they call it when you get the same bag that I get. Oh, I know. Sometimes people want to know, I don't know whether it says on my card or not, what variation I got. I don't know. It doesn't say on my card what variation I got. I think I told you, now IPSY allows you to pick 3 of your 5 products for the Glam Plus. And so that's new. I guess I like that. I kind of liked it when you picked 1 and they surprised you with 4. But, you know, that's okay. Let me see if it says on my bag what things are here. I'm all stuck together. Save your bag, too, because it's good for shipping things in. Okay, let me see what it says here. Does it say lightweight, U.S. postage paid? No, it doesn't give me the weight on this, but I think it does give me the weight when I look at my tracking. So, whatever. All right. So that's it. Thank you so much for visiting today. I'm looking forward I usually get my BoxyCharm right after I get my IPSY, or right before I get my IPSY. So I'm watching the mail carefully for my BoxyCharm. So I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like unboxings and you like IPSY unboxings, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. And remember to be kind to everyone, because there's a lot of crazies out there. See you next time.